Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this day, I'm going to make tutorial microbit, but just using the brain of the robot. The the name is running text. This just using the brain. You guys can see the brain. Later, there is some code for making there is text, but run like this, running. Now let we start. Okay. First, you guys open the application Microbit and make new project. I already make new. In here, you guys in home, there is on start and forever. You guys can see, and I using this for making it more. You guys can use it for clicking some A and B and this. I'm making it more many. Okay. Like this. In here you guys can show light. This just you makes yourself like a light like this. The example like this. Later you guys can see in here the first light like this. You guys can make animation using this like this. I'm going to show it to you guys in here, in here, and wait. Oh yes, wait, like this, but need many like this. You guys can see this. Put in here. Put this like this. And this like this. Later it's moving, looking like moving. Just little. You guys want to see the full like this. Put it like this. Okay, okay. See again. Later moving. You guys can see right? Later this moving. Okay. Yes, this put in here. See again. Moving right. Make until 0 again this. You guys. For making animation like this in the light for any text. Okay. Ready. Later in here there is some wait, this put in here. Okay. I'm making it more good. Wait guys. This for the animation you guys can see. Yeah, it's long, but later going to be good. You guys can see. Wait. Okay, 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 okay. Little bit more, one more, done. After that, we using other code. This just for the opening. I'm making it. Okay, ready. You guys can see. Letter like that. Ah, like this. Oh yeah, you guys can doing using number writings. You guys can using writing. Cannot just using number like 1, 2, 3 or not. You guys can show. Yeah, this. Hello. This for the running text. This. Let's try. This you guys can see in here. Like this. 1, 2, 3, and hello. My name, wait, hello, my name is, my name, oh yeah, forgot, okay, yeah, like this, my name is. You guys want to try in here, you guys just click download and you just need the cable for on it. Okay, now continue. Uh, uh, this I going to do for the button A and B. A and B like this one. These two button you guys click together. Now later there is a picture. Oh yeah, you guys can search in here. Showing icon. You guys don't need build. There is some template in here. Many the template you guys can pick. Yeah, just like this. Okay, this for A and B, and this for B and A. You guys put anything like then or something you guys want, or not, put something else. Okay, like this. Ah, let's try. You guys can see. And this letter like that. Oh, there is text, right? The light running text. The name is running text. You guys can see in here. Good, right? Okay, ready now. Let's try the A. Just press button A. Letter E hello. After that, give emoji. Wait, where can? Yes, ready. Now B. Try. Like that, guys. A and B. Click, click A and B. Wait. Oh, cannot. There is need text. I think just you. Wait. Okay, just like this. You guys want to see in here? Okay, first you guys click download. Just wait. Okay, already connect this. You guys can see this already connect. This already connect. There is running text. When I click these two different letter, there's uh, different text. After that, if I just click one in here, there is another. Yeah, like this. Running text just like this. There is text but running. You guys can read this. Just like this. The for to the text. You guys can see. Like that. Good, right? Yeah, just like this. There is little right. There is light in here. Little like a box letter is writing if there is the code. Yeah, after you guys want to make what the code, but you guys need to have a light like this. There is moving. Say hello. After that, there is you say my name. After that, you say robo. Like that. If I click this one, later there is different this hello. After that, he say hello. There's emoji. In here I click again. Different. He say oh send hello. Wait. Oh yes. Okay. Yeah, just like this. No more for the code. Uh, I hope you guys can do it in your home. Yeah, so easy, right? How to make the text. Yeah, take just from me today. Sorry if I have mistake. Okay, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.